Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss MCQs from set 8. So let's start. Question number 1. Select the matching pair. A. Pamela epistolary novel. B. Woman in Love Browning. C. Middlemarch Pikarsky novel. D. Pride and Prejudice autobiographical novel. Answer is A. Pamela epistolary novel. Question number 2. The poet who described poetry as inspired mathematics is A. Hopkins, B. Ezra Pound, C. T.S. Eliot, D. Robert Browning. Answer is B. Ezra Pound. Question number 3. The first folio of Shakespeare's play appeared in A. 1664, B. 1631, C. 1650, D. 1623. Answer is D. 1623. Question number 4. Harold Pinter's Caretaker can be called A. Comedy of Errors, B. Comedy of Humors, C. Comedy of Meaning, D. Comedy of Manners. Answer is C. Comedy of Meaning. Question number 5. Poetic license applies to A. Epic writers only, B. Dramatists only, C. Poets alone, D. All literary authors. Answer is D. All literary authors. Question number 6. Select the matching pair. A. Naturalism Zola, B. Magic realism Graham Greene, C. Symbolism T. E. Hume, D. Expressionism V. Woolf. Answer is A. Naturalism Zola. Question number 7. The character not created by Hardy is A. Thompson, B. Betsy Trotwood, C. Bathsheba Everdeen, D. Sue Brighthead. Answer is D. Sue Brighthead. Question number 8. Who wrote the poem Beppo? A. Shelley, B. Keats, C. Byron, D. Larkin. Answer is C. Byron. Question number 9. The poet who said, "My poems are not about violence but vitality" is A. Lewis, B. Ted Hughes, C. Larkin, D. Thornton. Answer is B. Ted Hughes. Question number 10. Tristram Shandy finally recounts his birth. A. Volume 5, B. Volume 6, C. Volume 7, D. Volume 8. Answer is A. Volume 5. Question number 11. Diction means A. Poetic license, B. Syntax and word order, C. Devices of meter and rhyme, D. Severity of prose. Answer is B. Syntax and word order. Question number 12. Toni Morrison used male narrator for the first time in Sons of Solomon, B. Tarbaby, C. Jazz, D. The Blue Sky. Answer is D. The Blue Sky. Question number 13. The author of The Hungry Tide is A. Shobha De, B. Amitabh Ghosh, C. Vikram Seth, D. Apamanyu Chatterjee. Answer is B. Amitabh Ghosh. Question number 14. United we stand, divided we fall is an example of A. Bathos, B. Tautology, C. Litotes, D. Antithesis. Answer is D. Antithesis. Question number 15. A meter in which an unaccented syllable precedes the accented is called A. Anapestic, B. Dactylic, C. Catalectic, D. Iambic. Answer is D. Iambic. Question number 16. Select the matching pair. A. Girish Karnad, B. A. K. Ramanujan Telugu, C. Kamala Das Tamil, D. R. Parthasarathi Malayalam. Answer is A. Girish Karnad. Question number 17. The woman character who is an artist by profession in Virginia Woolf to the Lighthouse is A. Lily Briscoe, B. Mrs. Ramsay, C. Mrs. Dalloway, D. Mariam. Answer is A. Lily Briscoe. Question number 18. The soul of tragedy according to Aristotle is A. Thought, B. Character, C. Plot, D. Spectacle. Answer is C. Plot. Question number 19. The Oxford Dictionary was published in 12 volumes with its current title in the year A. 1928, B. 1930, C. 1933, D. 1915. Answer is C. 1933. Question number 20. Frederick Jensen associated postmodern culture with dash capitalism. A. Market, B. Monopoly, C. Imperialist, D. Multinational. Answer is D. Multinational capitalism. Question number 21. Carlyle's Sartor Resartus means A. Satan's story retold, B. The tailor retailored, C. I know not where, D. A set of elegant clothes. Answer is B. The tailor retailored. Question number 22. The posthumously published novel of Jane Austen is A. Emma, B. Sense and Sensibility, C. Mansfield Park, D. Northanger Abbey. Answer is D. Northanger Abbey. Question number 23. Restoration comedy begins with A. Congreve, B. Sheridan, C. Dryden, D. Etheridge. Answer is D. Etheridge. Question number 24. The author of The Progress of the Soul is A. John Bunyan, B. John Donne, C. Henry Vaughan, D. Richard Crasso. Answer is B. John Donne. Question number 25. Dr. Johnson's The Life of the Poets is an example of A. Psychological criticism, B. Historical criticism, C. Biographical criticism, D. Archetypal criticism. Answer is C. Biographical criticism. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.